lahat ng sumuporta, lahat ng nanood, lahat ng narating naming mga puso sa pamamagitan ng pelikula naming Rewind. Pero syempre higit sa lahat, thank you sa organizers. Alam niyo po kung gaano po namin na-appreciate ito na marating ang international stage.
The topic of the movie is something that's really universal that most of the people can really relate to. Much more Pinoy tayo kahit saan bahagi pa man tayo ng mundo. Mananaig at mananaig yung ating pagiging Pilipino. But what's important is that the movie Rewind will start showing in North America siguro this week. So after this film festival, it will be available also in the favorite theaters of our mga kababayan, mga kapuso kapamilya dito sa America.